Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your MetaMask wallet. First, navigate to the official MetaMask website and download the browser extension for your preferred desktop browser, such as Chrome or Brave. It's crucial to verify the website's authenticity to protect yourself from fraudulent versions. Once downloaded, install the extension and then pin the MetaMask icon to your browser's toolbar for quick and convenient access to your wallet. After installing the extension, click on the MetaMask icon and select Get Started. If you are a new user, choose Create a Wallet. You will then be prompted to read and agree to the terms of use. Please review these thoroughly. Next, create a robust password that is at least 8 characters long, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Remember, MetaMask cannot recover this password for you. This is perhaps the most critical step, securing your secret recovery phrase. MetaMask will present you with a 12-word phrase. It is vital to watch the short video explaining its importance. You must write down this phrase precisely, word for word, on a physical piece of paper. Never store it on your computer, phone, or any cloud service. Keep this physical copy in a safe, private place, as it is the master key to your funds. To ensure you have correctly recorded your secret recovery phrase, MetaMask will ask you to confirm it by selecting the words in the exact order they were presented. After successful confirmation, click All Done. Congratulations! Your MetaMask wallet is now fully set up and ready to connect with various decentralized applications. Always remember to keep your secret recovery phrase and password extremely secure to protect your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.